Hello coffee enthusiasts! Meet the manual coffee grinder with double high-precision bearings, a game-changer for your coffee brewing experience. This sleek, black grinder features an innovative drive wheel design and a CNC 7-angle grinding center, ensuring a consistent and precise grind every time. Its compact size makes it the perfect companion for camping trips and travel adventures, fitting easily into your backpack without taking up much space. The double high-precision bearings provide a smooth grinding experience, reducing effort while maximizing flavor extraction from your favorite coffee beans. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee-loving traveler, this portable grinder is designed to elevate your coffee ritual wherever you go. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with this must-have coffee accessory. So, why settle for anything less when you can enjoy freshly ground coffee anytime, anywhere? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.